Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the Hayer unit supports Wi-Fi and the smart LED is ready. This matters because only compatible models pair. Next, open the Hayer app and sign in, then choose Add Device. Make sure your phone is on the home too. 4 GHz network and Bluetooth is off to avoid interference. Once done, put the AC into pairing mode using the remote. Press and hold the Wi-Fi button until the indicator blinks fast, and keep the phone within 3 meters. You now select the exact Hayer model within the app and follow the guided Wi-Fi setup steps because the app configures device settings automatically. When prompted, type your SSID and password carefully. Capital letters, symbols, and spaces must match the router. Then grant any local network permissions the app requests. This enables communication. After you tap Connect, watch the app's progress bar and the AC's Wi-Fi LED. If pairing succeeds, the app shows connected, and the LED becomes steady. You finish by testing basic commands in the app, power, mode, temperature, and a simple schedule. To confirm two-way control, this verifies correct pairing. If the AC didn't connect, power cycle the router and the air conditioner, confirm the router is broadcasting too. 4 GHz, then repeat the setup. If problems persist, reset the AC's Wi-Fi module per the manual and redo pairing. One key troubleshooting tip: ensure no guest network isolation or MAC filtering is blocking the AC from joining the router.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.